Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 31st of October with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at gold, which has basically just broken that little downtrend, isn't it? The 2 week downtrend that had been in place. You've had two positive candles in a row. The last time we saw that was when the market was trending on a recovery move from 1260 to 1300 again. So is this the beginning of a little correction, sort of a little rally that again could see the market pick up? Not convinced. I'm generally a little bit mixed on gold at the moment. I think that the fact that you've held up on the support above 1260 is a positive. Two positive candles in a row again sort of starts to negate the corrective move. And it's interesting because you've seen the stochastics start to tick higher as well. You can see on the hourly chart. Sorry, zooming the wrong way. This 144-hour moving average, this black line here, which had been resistance, has now sort of started to bottom and is now becoming supportive. You're also seeing the MACD lines in the RSI looking a little bit more positive. Certainly the RSI hitting 70, whereas since that correction had started, it basically failed consistently around 60 to 65. So there is a slightly improved outlook, and having sort of left a higher low at 1268.40 above that 1263.40 level, you're starting to sort of think, well, maybe this could be a recovery, but there's a lot of overhead supply. 1282, 1284, 1290, all these levels overhead, and that's not even that's even before we start to consider 1300 to 1310 again, which again has put paid to the last two rallies. So yeah, it's a lot of a big struggle, I think, overhead near to medium term for gold price to start to recover. But you have started to sort of break down that downtrend. I should say break up through that downtrend. So the market is less negative than it was, but it's still sort of unsure, I think. With the moving averages, you could argue flattening off, trading around the moving averages. Is it sort of in a bit of no man's land at the moment, you could say, on the gold price. So you're sort of looking for maybe the next signal on gold, and I think we're likely to get that. I think with tax reform, so how the market reacts to tax reform could be the next key direction on gold. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.